Hey folks, this is your Dave Coaster Dude. Let you know that snowstorm out there. You see, it's like white out here. See over there? Like, wow. Yep, this is horrible. Snow in January of 2019. First snowstorm that is like this than ever. So I decided I'd call off work because it's like too dangerous out there for some travelers. If you're traveling, if you're planning on traveling, or if you don't have to go out, then don't go out. Just stay in and stay warm. All right, like if you're stranded outside, you know, like if you have to report to work, if the boss like tell you that you can't call off here, just leave enough time, slow your speed down, and then just slow down. Just turn your emergency flashers on while driving. It's a good idea to do that. Whoa, and it's wind chills like 26 degrees and wind chills like almost in the teens on a Saturday night. Well, this is going to be it, all right, for today. So remember, Bondo, all right. If you like this thing, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and smash that subscribe bell. And I'll see you in the next movie. All right. See ya.